welcome back to my channel. So today I've come to share with my fellow fashion designers something that you can use, to promote yourself. Okay, after sewing an outfit, instead of just using the mannequin instead of just wearing it on the mannequin to see how it will look like, how about if I tell you that you can actually use something to create a realistic model to wear the outfit, and then you will see what it looks like even before your customer would come to wear it or to fit it. Isn't that great? So if you want to learn that special thing that I have for you, then ensure you don't skip any part of this video. Ensure to watch this video to the end. And before I continue, I just want to quickly say that on the channel we now have channel membership. Yes, we now have channel membership, and there are different perks you can enjoy as a member of this wonderful community. Presently we have 3 levels, so you can click on the levels and you can click on the join membership, and then it will take you to where you can see the different levels that we have. We have different perks attributed to each level. For some, you're going to have the shout out video, members only short, members only video, members live chat, and so on and so forth. So this is a way that we have to interact, as a creator and a viewer. Okay, so you can join my membership today and just support this channel to grow. Also, if this is your first time coming across this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel so that you always see my videos when I post them. Also, after watching, please kindly leave comment below in the comment section. Let's know what you think about the video, and also share to others so that they too can learn. Okay, back to our topic. Our topic today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to create realistic AI models for your dresses instead of just using a mannequin. Now, to do this is pretty simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT. Okay, once you download that, you can virtually ask it to do anything for you. Apart from modeling, you can even ask it to write something for you, and so on and so forth. So once you have it downloaded on your phone and you open it up, it's going to ask you a question. It's going to ask you, what can I help you with? You want me to create an image, a surprise, or more? So whatever you want ChatGPT to do for you, you just type it in and it will respond to you as if it were a human. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 examples of how you can use ChatGPT. So the first one I'm going to show you is, I want you to use the picture to replace the mannequin and create an image. Okay, so I have a picture and then I have a dress on a mannequin, but I want ChatGPT to replace the mannequin with a human that looks like the picture that I've just posted by it. So I said create another model for it. Okay, I said should create a model for it, and it created this image, you see. And then I now went further to tell it to create another model wearing shoes, because the one he just created, the model was not wearing shoes. So I wanted him to now create another one wearing shoes. And of course, it will take few minutes, and then it will create another model. First of all, to tell you that there are a lot of people on the line also creating. You should be patient. Just give few minutes, and then you see your model. And it created this one wearing shoes, the one that you are seeing right now. And then I went further to say, okay, this model is on the big size. So I asked it to create another with a smaller, a slimmer model with braids, and then it went ahead to create this. Isn't it wonderful? Now you can see that you can actually use this app to replace your models. So instead of just viewing the outfit alone on the mannequin, you can view it on a human model. You can actually see it on how it will look on a human being. Okay, so the second example I'm going to show to you, This time around, it says, what can I help you with? I said, create a model for an outfit. Okay, I'm still going to be using an outfit that is already on the mannequin. So it will go ahead to ask you, what kind of outfit do you want? For what occasion? Okay, for what season? What gender? Is it male? Is it female? Any specific color? Do you want it for a black person? Do you want a black person? Do you want a white person? It will ask you, or do you want, is it a drawing that you want? What do you want? It will ask you what you want. And of course, I went ahead to tell you that I wanted to model an outfit that I will post. Okay, and I said, great, go ahead. And then it looks as if you're just interacting with a human being. So I went ahead to upload a photo, okay, of the outfit that I want. So if you want to upload a photo that you want, all you need to do is there's a box that you're going to click on, and it will show photos, camera, and so on. So you can go ahead and click on photos, and it will take you straight to your gallery, to your photo gallery, and then you can go ahead, and select the picture that you want. So I picked this one, and then it created a model with a male, just like the picture you are seeing right now. So I said, replace it with a female, and it went ahead to create this one. Super easy. This is one way that you can, use ChatGPT to create realistic models for your dresses. Whatever outfit, it's not only for gown. Whatever outfit it is, whether it's a skirt, it's a trouser outfit, whatever outfit it is, it will model it for you. And of course, you just go ahead and give your specification, who you want to wear that outfit. Is it a male? Is it a female? Is it a slim person? Is it a big person, a fat person? What kind of hairstyle do you want to see on the person? Or is it a serious look you want to see, or you want to see a face that is smiling? Just specify what you want, and ChatGPT will give it to you in few minutes. So that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share.